Welcome to AK Health, and in today's video, I'm going to showcase why your breakfast is killing you and how to change the way you eat for much better health. The word breakfast means to break the fast, breaking a fast from not eating from the previous day. And for decades, what we thought were typical recommended breakfast foods that were good for us actually has evolved into something more sinister for our health. Little did you know that eating breakfast foods like waffles, pancakes, orange juice, milk and cereal, French toast, lox and bagels, ham and sausage, and flavored coffees is not what we should be eating for breakfast, ever. These foods we've been consuming for breakfast contain a week's worth of carbohydrates, sugars, fat, sodium, and chemicals the body has a very difficult time dealing with. I'm talking about hundreds of grams of sugar, saturated fat, and thousands of milligrams of sodium. All these ingredients do one thing quickly. They will fill you up and at the same time raise your blood sugar levels through the roof. And the high sodium and fat in the blood are clogging up your entire vascular system, all the while raising your blood pressure. So yes, we've been doing breakfast all wrong. Here are some ways to cut some calories and eat a healthier breakfast. To do this, you're going to have to make some sacrifices and not to consume the aforementioned foods. The first thing to do is stop all store-bought fruit juices. If you have a juicer, fresh squeezed orange or grapefruit juice are a much better choice because of the pulp and the vitamins. The next way is to replace all wheat products such as pancakes, waffles, bread, bagels with hot or cold oatmeal. Adding fresh fruit on top is also a great choice because it's a natural food. If you are watching sugars, avoid raisins. They are high in sugar. Eat more eggs. Eggs are high in protein, and they're the perfect food. I recently did a video on the benefits of eating eggs. I will link it in the description and at the end of this video. You can eat bacon and sausage with your eggs, but I would highly recommend that you eat breakfast meats without chemical additives such as sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate has been linked to some digestive cancers in the stomach and in the intestinal tract. Avoid all grab-and-go breakfast sandwiches. As fast food restaurants become more and more available, these foods are highly processed and they're super loaded with sodium and chemical preservatives. Fresh fruit is an excellent choice for traditional breakfast items because they contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and natural chemical compounds that help to enhance digestion. Your body will benefit immediately from eliminating bad foods from bad breakfast diet by feeling better and naturally losing weight. A bonus tip is to try intermittent fasting by extending the fast time to eat breakfast. I currently eat a very late breakfast, close to around 11 a.m., and I feel so good doing so. I will be doing a video soon on intermittent fasting to showcase all the benefits of fasting. It took me a while to get rid of all the bad breakfast foods that I was addicted to, but now I am thinner and have more energy than ever before. Thanks again for watching AK Health. Click on my next two videos for more tips on health and healing. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.